Welcome to Vlogmas Day 11. Okay, you guys, so in today's Vlogmas, we're going to be doing a gingerbread house kit challenge. Last year we did a Hershey Kiss gingerbread house, right guys?
Yep.
And it was, I took over the gingerbread house. I told them that I'll do the house and they can put the decorations on it. So this year they decided that they want to do their own. And I just got this little one for me. So yeah, you guys, let's get started. So I'm gonna open the box for you guys. So wait, who's doing this one?
I'm doing it.
Are you gonna do that one? Mm-hmm. Okay, so my daughter gonna do the big one right here, and my son gonna do the little one. Okay. So this is I guess y'all have to share this because there's only one. Y'all have to share all the candies in here.
That's so good. And if it's two in there or
Yes, two.
Oh, it looks so delicious. Who's gonna take who?
I don't know. Okay, this looks confusing. I guess I have to break it. Wait. Hold up. I guess this is like one gingerbread house and I have to break it. Like, really? I am gonna mess this thing. Hold on, I got one box. Okay, so this is the one Elisa's supposed to be doing. I'm sorry, I have to look at the box, y'all. Hold up. Okay, so, wait. I'm confused. Okay, well, it is instructions in the back. Hold on. Okay, I guess, do I need to break these two? Okay, we'll find out. Well, I guess okay, that's broken.
Cookie.
That's broken.
Careful.
So I break this part because it's broken too. This is not. I'm scared I'm gonna break it.
Oh.
This is not easy. Why do you just don't have it like already broken?
Yeah.
Do I break this or is it supposed to be whole? So it's supposed to be broken, you think?
Yeah, I think it's supposed to be broken.
See?
Yeah.
No, that's the other house. This is toy shop.
Oh, the toy shop. That's
So look,
Santa's room. Okay.
That's the toy shop, and the other one.
La 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 la. I don't know. Okay, no, I'm gonna just break it because there is a line like that. So I'm gonna just break it.
Okay.
This is a small house.
Yeah. What? Why can't make it bigger?
Yeah, but I think this. Okay, so this is the house. This is your house. But I just think they should just have it already like broken. Okay, so people's gingerbread house. So you have two C's. Okay, I'm still confused. I see two windows.
Yes.
Wait, I'm confused. Okay, now I have to look at this again. Oh, I broke it. I broke it. Oh, they probably glued back together, hopefully. This thing is hard to break.
I don't know.
So basically, not really. You can like glue it with the frosting, like you can glue everything else anyway. Okay.
Yep.
Okay. This stuff wasn't even easy to make. You know what? I'll do this one and you do this one then. How about that?
Okay.
Because
Mine is. It's okay. That's okay.
oh, you want this one still?
Yeah, it's okay. It don't have to be changed.
Alright.
Cause I don't want it to get hot.
It's up to you. You sure you don't want to change it? Alright. Well.
You gotta glue it though.
Yeah. Okay, this one seems harder than the other one. Okay, let's get started. So let me break mine up. icing bag preparation. It says knee slash massage icing bag for 1 minute. So basically you're gonna go like this to the bag.
Oh, what? Okay.
So both of y'all do that. I'm gonna do mine.
Okay,
Okay, so it says after you massage it, cut icing bag to let it flow. Okay, so basically, let's go. Take it out.
Oh yeah.
And
Oh. Oh yeah.
and then mine says cut it at the corner.
I can smell it. It smells so good.
Is this too bad?
Okay. I don't make it roast.
Okay, I'm gonna switch it because that looks so difficult. I know you ain't gonna do that. You're gonna do the same thing. So put the stuff on the table. Alright you guys, so my camera battery died, but I finished building this little house right here. As you can see, it looks like somebody ran their car through my house. Look you guys.
Guys, I don't want you to buy this ever again.
The small houses kind of suck. And I think that it should be pre-cut for you because this one just sucks. Like, I know the one from last year, that one was way better than this one because it was the Hershey Kiss one. And it was way more easier to do. And it was bigger. This one was like very small. But if I have the picture of the one from the one I did last year, I would insert it right now. But yeah, so right now we're just gonna decorate it and we're gonna see whose is better since we're doing this challenge. Even though mine look horrible because mine's broke. Like I broke the cookie
I don't know how mine looks.
It
Mine
is
looks
small.
horrible too.
So. Okay, you guys, so these are our completed gingerbread houses that we did, you guys. Mine was an epic fail. What about you people? Did you think you did?
Mine is very bad.
So yours was an epic fail too?
Yep.
What about you, Lisa? How do you think you did?
Looks like it's epic fail too.
It don't.
It do.
It looks
It
good.
do.
It looks
Well, hers didn't fall apart like me and people said, so. Yeah. So I failed, people failed, so Lisa, I guess Lisa won this challenge. I mean, even though she don't think she did good. The only reason, like, my little cookie broke off of the back of my house.
And
so.
mine, it's like, look at the both sides. See?
Yeah, his sides are sunken in, and hers is like.
Mine is like.
Well, it's not perfect, but it's better than ours. So we like, boo. So yeah. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And we will see you guys in our next Vlogmas video.
Bye.